Sensitive content can be anything from violent images to explicit language. In this video, we'll guide you on how to turn it off on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app or website. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar. Next, go to Settings and Privacy from the menu options. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to find Privacy and Safety. Click here to customize your experience. Once in this section, locate Display Media that may contain sensitive content. You can toggle it off. And just like that, you've turned off sensitive content on Twitter. Enjoy a cleaner timeline. By adjusting these settings, you take control of your Twitter experience, ensuring it aligns with your preferences. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime to make further adjustments. Stay informed and enjoy your Twitter journey without unwanted distractions. Don't forget to like and share this video for more tips. Your feedback motivates us. Thank you for watching. Happy tweeting!